Hello dear traders, and welcome to the 10 most frequently asked questions for the Bitcoin Algorithmic Trading plus 99 Trading Robots monthly course. In this video I will give an answer to the 10 most frequently asked questions that I receive daily for the course. And the first question that I will start with is: my VPS allows hosting only 32 charts. How do you manage with that? And basically I receive different questions with number of limitation for the charts you can open on your MetaTrader. Now this depends on the VPS. Normally such limitations are common for the VPSs that are coming from the brokers themselves. I would not suggest you to use VPS from the broker, especially the broker that you will be trading on. I would not trust the broker to place the expert advisors on their VPS. I would prefer to place my expert advisors on external VPS that is not connected with the broker. This way I will not have any issues with limitations for the charts, okay? Install MetaTrader on such a VPS, use it as your virtual trading machine, and you will be able to open up to 99 expert advisors, alright? Now, second question is why I cannot download MetaTrader 4 from the official website. The official website of MetaQuotes already removed MetaTrader 4 as a downloadable link, and they have only MetaTrader 5. They want to push the traders to use MetaTrader 5, but I can tell you that most of the traders still use MetaTrader 4. I prefer to use MetaTrader 4, and I think it will last long time. And of course, if they just stop providing it, we will switch to MetaTrader 5, but I think they will hold it for a while. Alright, so if you want to download the MetaTrader 4, you need to download it from your broker that you have selected to use, because the brokers, they have links for MetaTrader 4, or normally after you register for a demo or a live account, they will send you a link in the email from where you can download the MetaTrader 4 platform. Alright, the third question is it possible to see demo performance different from the live? Okay, yes, it is possible actually to see difference between the demo and the live account. This normally depends on your broker, if they will provide you such a virtual account that will be one-to-one similar to the live account. So what I'm doing personally to check that is when I switch to another broker, or I choose broker for some reason that I didn't test so far and I want to test it, what I do, I open a demo account and a live account, and I trade with few expert advisors just with 0.01 lots to see couple of trades if they will open perfectly together, okay? If I will see the very same trades on the demo account and the very same trades on the live account. This way I will know that this broker provides realistic demo account which is really imitating, I can say, the live trading. All right, now the next question is I get an error in Expert Advisor Studio. The generator cannot find strategies. What to do? Now if you have such an issue, it means you are having too strict acceptance criteria in AI Studio. The first thing you might want to do is just untick the acceptance criteria, so you will not use any acceptance criteria. Click the generator, press start, and see if you will have strategies. If you have strategies, then it means your historical data is fine and you can actually generate strategies, okay? Now if you don't have strategies even without the acceptance criteria, then there is something with your historical data. Probably it's too small to find any strategies, okay? But What we do when we don't see strategies, we remove the acceptance criteria, we see the strategies being generated, and then we start to add slowly the acceptance criteria. For example, you should start adding the count of trades, start adding minimum count of trades like 100. If you see strategies, then go to 200, and you will see where you should hold it in order to see better strategies. Not too many, but in the same time to have strategies into the collection, because it is better to have strategies into the collection and after that to filter them rather than having no any strategies. All right. Now the next question is, the top expert advisors that I selected are not opening on a separate demo account. Why is that? The first thing is probably you didn't press the auto trading on the second account, or there is something with your broker, or you're not connected with the server, you are not connected to the internet. Just recheck everything. If the expert advisors opened trades in one account, there is no reason in the expert advisors that they wouldn't open trades in the other account. There is something that you have missed. Okay, keep something in mind, guys. The expert advisors have nothing to do with the type of account. Is it a demo account? Is it the first demo account? Is it the second demo account? Is it a live account? What is it? Doesn't matter. The expert advisor is a code. It works where you place it. Okay, so if you don't see trades opening, give it some time, recheck everything, and probably they will open after that if you have done everything precisely. Okay, the next question is, I get some duplicated trades. Now you can get duplicated trades if you have placed one and the same expert advisor on different charts. Okay, then when the entry condition is there, it will open 2 or 3 orders depending on how many charts you have placed it. The other thing that is possible, you have placed the MetaTrader on a VPS and you have placed it on your laptop or computer, and if the auto trading is on both, it will work on both places, and the expert advisor will actually open trades in both places, but it's in one and the same account. Okay, and I think there is no any other reason to say that you will have duplicated trades. The expert advisors I provide monthly are absolutely different from each other, so it's one of the two things that you have missed. Okay, now the next question is, the first entry I got from the EA was a sell. How is it possible? Now this is a very basic question. Of course, it's not a silly question. Everybody can ask any questions in trading. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions. Now we can sell Bitcoin before having a buy, just because this is CFD trading, which stands for contract for difference. Okay, we don't buy actual Bitcoin, we don't sell actual Bitcoin. We are having an account, for example, with $1,000, I don't know, any amount, and with this money we are able to sell and we are able to buy. So we don't actually buy the Bitcoin, same as with the gold, with the oil, with the forex currencies. We don't actually buy them. We make a contract for difference of the price with the broker, that if I sell at one price and the price goes down and I close the order, I will benefit this difference. Obviously, if the price goes against me, the broker will benefit the difference and I will lose. So we are trading on the difference of the price. That's why we can sell and we can buy without having Bitcoins or without having any previous orders. Okay, hope it's clear. Now the next question is it possible to use these robots on crypto exchanges? These expert advisors that I provide in this course are designed for MetaTrader platform. So if you are able to connect your exchange with MetaTrader, you will be able to execute trades there. But one more time, the expert advisors provided in this course are for MetaTrader platform. Now the next question is, how do you put the Bitcoin chart? Another basic question. On the left side of your MetaTrader, you see the market watch. There are all instruments. If you don't see the Bitcoin, what you need to do, you need to right click over it, and there is show all, which will show you all the assets you have with your broker. If you still don't see the Bitcoin, it means that the broker you have selected does not provide the Bitcoin. If you see the Bitcoin, then you just right click over it and go to chart window, and it will open the new chart window for the Bitcoin. Okay, and the last question that I have, the updated expert advisors every month are the same with different stop loss and take profit, or they are new expert advisors? In this Bitcoin algorithmic trading course, I provide new expert advisors every new month. This way you have huge possibilities. You can build up a huge portfolio if you have the opportunity to place every month the new expert advisors in different MetaTraders accounts. You will be able to test many expert advisors, and you will have a huge choice of expert advisors to choose from, and this way basically you have bigger chances to have in a live account the best expert advisors. All right, especially if you see that expert advisor benefits for a couple of months, this is great. If it does, don't touch it. Okay, if an expert advisor makes you profits consistently, don't touch it, don't change it with the new ones. Okay, keep it until you see profits. So yes, the expert advisors that I provide for this course every month are new, and the old ones, it's up to you what you will do with them. You can just save them and see after time if you can use some of those. But I would suggest you, if you have the chance, place a couple of months at least in different MetaTraders and see if you can get out of them the best ones to place in a live account. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. These were the 10 frequently asked questions that I received for the Bitcoin algorithmic trading course. If you liked the video, click on subscribe so you will be having the new videos that I launch nearly every day. Thank you for watching, and I wish you always safe trading. Cheers!